YouTube was good. You already know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. You see what we doing today, man? Today we here with Cenat. You know, one of the biggest streamers. You see me on Twitch. One of the biggest YouTubers on YouTube too. You see me, just a top-notch content creator overall. You see me, I say. But yeah, man. Today, Kai, you just dropped a video an hour ago entitled "My Brand New Car Collection." I'm gonna check it out and see what's going on, man. Cause he did a video the other day with him, Phantom and Duke. You see me, they were ripping up Atlanta in their new lamb chops. You know what I'm saying? It was going crazy, and it's a good look to see these young brothers out here, man, doing their thing. You see me, just having their way, just having. You see me, I say, taking advantage of this, you know, opportunity before us, and just being complete stars, and just like being complete stars, and just dominate this content creation space. You see me, I say? So I'm proud of these young black men in America. Shout out to them. You see me, I say, yeah, as a person that's trying to be a good streamer and content creator myself, man, I definitely rock with these guys, these younger guys. You see me, I say, so shout out to them, man. So yeah, he just dropped a video. I saw the video he did with Atlanta, you know, with him, Phantom and Duke. They like tearing up Atlanta and Land Chop. He just dropped a video entitled "My Brand New Car Collection," man. I'm like, what? Bro, like, we know you got whips. You got a new car collection, bro. I gotta check this out. You know, I know that got some fire, man. So yeah, that's what we're here, man. We better check this out. You see me, I say, see what he dealing with. You see me, check out these whips real quick. You see me, I say, yeah, no, say that I got some. You got a lamb chop. I think you got like a track hot. You see me, I say, but man, let's check it out, gang. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you like, hit the like and subscribe on, man. If you want more content like this, hit the like and subscribe button, gang. Come on.
Oh! But why didn't Ben mop my shit, bro? Oh!
Oh shit.
Alright, y'all, listen to me, okay? Do not mind my outfit or nothing because we're taking birthday pictures. By the time y'all see this, y'all will see why I'm in this outfit and the birthday pictures and shit. But it's gonna be my first time seeing my upgraded cars. As you guys know, Duke, Phantom, they all got their cars done and shit.
Taking birthday pictures and shit. Nigga trying to pop out.
Like that. And when I went to the Mafia-thon, I had to spend a month.
Let me know to come. My birthday coming up in January, gang. Should I be doing like, you know, birthday shoes and shit like that, gang? Let me know, man. Let me know.
All my cars from the AMG to the Trackhawk to the Hellcat to the Lambo. So it's my first time going to see all the upgraded cars and see how they look. I'm kind of nervous because I hope I like it. Like, I know what colors it's going to be and I know what I ordered to put it on, but I hope I like it, man. I'm not going to lie. Let's go see what's happening. Oh, kind of nervous, man. Apparently it's in like a warehouse in the A. We are in Atlanta right now.
We already seen the thumbnail, so you see, you know what I'm saying? We already got a little, well, sometimes they change the color on the thumbnail, so we might not know, but it seems like you got an all red lineup. You see what I'm saying? All red fleet. You see what I'm saying? I think I saw a lamb, yeah, the lamb chop, and I thought the Trackhawk, and then a couple of cars.
It's in a warehouse.
That's what I saw from the thumbnail.
They got it ready for me. I'm low-key scared. We're gonna give you out a.
Ooh, that's so disrespectful, bro. These ads, bro. Come on. Come on, man. So disrespectful, bro. Watch the ads, though, gang.
Down on all the cars and everything. So, let's see. Is that Mater? Tom Mater? My boy right there. He did, this is the person that did Duke's cars. He didn't do Phantoms, but he did Dukes, and it should be fine. My first car video for all the car nerds, too. I'm not gonna lie, I was never a car guy, but my AMP brothers made me wanna see what's up. So I'm about to see what's up real quick. I'm low-key scared. Let's see. Yo, Brody. What's good, bro? It's about that time. Boy, what's going on?
What man trying to be Batman for his birthday, bro? What you got going on, Kai? Trying to be Batman, bro? What's up with the suit? I ain't gonna lie, okay, he was doing some ATV, off-road type shit though, but yeah.
Oh yeah, it's time, my boy.
You're looking like a superhero and shit.
Hopefully I like it. You feel the same person that did Duke car, like all that shit. It's gonna be crazy. Here we go. All right, let me see.
How you wanna do it? You wanna do one at a time? We work from the AMG up to the Lamb?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Let's work from do AMG up to the Lamb.
All right.
I'm nervous. Yo,
AMG, yeah, boy got an AMG in that.
I didn't see no updates. I didn't see shit. I literally gave it to them to just have and see what happens. You feel what I'm saying? So.
Music, yeah. With the AMG, you know we ain't doing much to it.
Yeah, the AMG is just a wrap.
But if you don't like the color, then it's an issue.
Okay, and as the cars come in, you can just say it. So you'll do.
Do the rundown.
Yeah. So we're gonna do first AMG.
AMG first.
AMG first. So y'all know this is my first car.
The AMG fire though.
Okay. So this is my AMG from when I got this car, 2021. My first car ever. I got it when I was 18 or 19. One of them. Oh my gosh, bro. I know.
That's crazy. I think you were 23, 24 right now. So 4 years ago, his first guy, he was an AMG. Like first big boy purchase, he got it, and that's what's up. And he still got it 4 years later. That's
just look at the color. That's all you gotta do.
I know it only probably the same.
Cherry red, boy. That cherry red, boy. I think you could have got that though in the base color though. You ain't had to wrap it, right? You probably could have got it, but yeah, the cherry red, and you can't go wrong with
Look
that.
at it.
Oh, that bloody red. Which one that is?
Yo! This don't even look like my car! Bro, this don't even look like... Yo! I definitely gotta draw this. Yo, this don't even look like my... Yo! Oh, this is perfect. Like the interior, everything is perfect. So this is the all-black whip. Now it is red.
If you see, you don't really need a new whip every year, every couple of years, man. You just gotta have money to just reupholster your shit, like refresh your shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Even though some of these refresh, that shit costs a car, so he could have probably bought a brand new car with the money he paid to revamp his shit. But he's in a different type bracket, so he can do that. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, this is crazy. But what's crazy what a simple wrap could do to a car.
Like it'll be like in the sun too. Like you can see like something.
Gang.
Like Dukes. Like Dukes.
Yes. Oh yeah. That sparkle. Yep. Yep. Oh my god.
Shit.
This is super tough. Damn. The AMG got a revamp. Let's do.
Hellcat.
Yeah, Hellcat.
I just said revamp. I just said revamp. That's
Shit, the Hellcat is next. Damn, that's
Hellcat.
really the AMG.
So like the difference is like before you just had a Hellcat, a track car, like an AMG, and a Lambo.
Yeah.
Now this is Kai's Lambo.
Okay, say less.
This Kai's.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's personalized
It's
to
you,
me.
like,
Yeah.
like no one else
Yes. My Hellcat, my track, and my Lamb was all just regular stock. Damn, that shit looks so crazy though, bro. Like that's a nice car, bro.
Yeah, that shit fire. Nigga, it's AMG. You ain't know it's a nice car when you bought it, bro. This nigga was probably so rich, he was just like, man, I'm gonna get this like a little throwaway. It was like Benz is cheap. Bro, this is a nice, this is some people's dream car you driving around, Kai. What you mean it's a nice car? You tripping, boy?
Bro,
You picked a good color.
that shit don't look like my old shit. I got tired of the black. Like the black was just sitting, it was getting dusty. Now it look like that's crazy.
That's the Benz. That's that panty dropper, nigga. Hey, fuck you talking about, kid. Yeah, coming at that. Boom, wait up. Tia, welcome for AC. I'm local to you. Straight mockings.
You're rich.
What is it again? You're stepping on me, car, yeah. Straight mockings. Mock out. Yeah, one. Your girlfriend, you see your girlfriend that doesn't know, say, yo, she's a professional mocker, brother. Yeah, one. You're not feeling the don't just take your mind.
Okay.
Focus on yourself, King. You see, me have the car there, girl, I come on, I just know she's straight mockings, brother. Yeah?
Track Hawk next.
What, now you got upgrades?
Everything got
Yo! Eesh!
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
You gotta open the door to see the inside. You gotta open
Wait! Yo! Yo!
SIT.
Oh my god!
Oh, with the see-through hood on there. Easy now, man. Easy now.
Look at the rims on that bitch! What the fuck? Yo, hold on. Yo! Oh my gosh! Oh shit, y'all went crazy. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, what the fuck? Yo, look at the wheel on that. Hold on, let me sit in that bitch. This shit feels crazy. What the fuck? Bro, look at the wheel, gang. This shit looks stupid. I don't know, yo, I'm driving all these bitches. Bro, you can just tell. Bro, what the I was not
He's not even a car dude. But he got it like that. You know what I'm saying? He's like, I know what you want, I don't want it, you know. He's who deserve it, bro. Who putting that work for it, bro. That's who gonna get it, bro. You see me? I'm saying hey, you might be a car dude and he's not a car dude, but he got the car because he put in that work for it, bro. You can't hate on it, bro. You gotta go get it too. You see me? What I'm saying? Facts.
The upgrade car type of nigga, bro.
Get that shit too, gang.
Full arrow kit.
I know you want to be like, oh man, I'm a car guy. I'm the one that shoulda, coulda, with the bro. Nah, the man worked for you, so you got it. You gotta, go get yours too,
like
gang.
You see the diffuser.
Go get yours too,
like
gang.
Things, like you don't even notice it, but like see how it's got the splitter.
Focus. If you watching this, man, he's a Dan Mafia member, man. I tell you, focus on your dreams and your goals. Stay focused. Do not get distracted by nobody, not family. Not girl, not partying, not nothing, bro. You see me? Your goal is the most important. You see me? Your goals and dreams is the most important thing you're supposed to focus on. You see me? I say once you focus on that, focus on yourself, fill your cup, then you can pour into somebody else. You can help people around you. You see me? I say you can't help nobody if you can't help yourself. You see me? I say that's just a sad truth. When I was younger, man, I knew that very well, and then people used to make me feel like, feel bad for like focusing on. No, I wasn't like selfish. I know it was just you gotta be able to help yourself first before you help people. And I usually know that, man. I used to focus on myself, get my shit done always. People ain't like that, saying selfish, all type of shit. Till they start. That's the same people adapt the same like mentality and way I was moving, and now I'm just like. But anyway, yeah, focus on yourself, achieve your goals, fill your cup up. After that, you can help people around you. You can pour into other people and help, family member and other people around you that, you want to bring up with you. But yeah, you got to focus on your dreams and go and get that, man. You only got one life to live, man. For real.
And stuff.
Yeah. What the? This funny to the heli?
Yeah, man, I focus on your one because other people focus on theirs. You see me, I say? Yeah, so nobody be like, yo, Ray, take. People ain't going to leave for them things for come help yours, So you got to think you got to think that way too. You see me? You got to focus on your thing because say, yo, you focus on for them thing and then I think if you can help you with your thing, or rate your thing, So you just gotta, yeah.
Break it in when you drive.
Gang, this the heli gang? Gang, my shit was, bro, now I know why niggas upgrade they shit. Yeah. Hellcat, no cap. Bro, this is like, my shit before this is just like a.
One of one now.
Yeah, like this shit, this is OD right here. Like
Kai to reveal his girlfriend. Now he's revealing his new girls too. His new whips. Hey, Kai really coming into himself. I think Kai finally feeling comfortable. Getting used to the fact that he's Kai. You see me? I said Kai Cenat. You see what I said? Yeah, revealing girl, my show up in new line. He started like enjoy his thing. Especially the Mafia thought he just did 30 days streaming. That's like the second time he did that, bro. He's like big in the content creator. Hopefully one day I can get to that level, man. I can do marathons and shit. But hey.
that's hard. I'm gonna have to go to the car. I'm gonna have to go to the car meet, chat. No cap.
So the wheels we got from JTP.
Yeah, break it down. What we got?
JTP Forge. They sponsored us on the
Shout
wheels.
out JTP.
These are full 3-piece custom forged wheels built for you.
Come on, man. The hell? These guys are just disrespectful. They're just disrespectful, man.
Oh my
These were
gosh.
built for you. Obviously the wrap done by Brandon Wrapped it. He killed that. The aero kit. We got the OKQ garage.
Oh my god.
This is kind of basic. Now the next two.
Wait, basic? How is this basic?
This is like.
It's about to get crazy? Oh! Damn, bro. But the interior
This is light, gang.
looks stupid, bro. And the wheel feels like good.
It's full carbon fiber, digital, all that.
It got shit on here?
Yeah. I'll show you how to use that later. I gotta show you a whole bunch of stuff.
It lights up and shit? Like, look how I'm driving this bitch, bruh. Look, that shit popped up, gang. What the fuck? Okay, y'all snapping.
Oh, this is like probably your most modified car.
I'm scared, bro. Most modified?
Yeah.
In your opinion? The Tracky? Oh my god. So, all right, so chat.
Gang. The track off from the pop out, gang.
This one is the one that Aiden bought me. Aiden bought me the Trackhawk. Oh shit, I'm scared, bro. I'm fucking scared, dude.
What do you think?
Hey, W Aiden, bro. Yeah, W Aiden, bro. Yeah, he didn't real to his
Oh my gosh. Let me know. Oh! Oh!
I ain't know why, gang. I always like the Trackhawks too, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like the Trackhawks too. Mm-hmm. Them shit's nice. Like, I don't know, I like the body style outside of it. You see what I'm saying? I always like the Trackhawks, but when police drive them shits, bro. I like the Trackhawk them, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, when it come to the Trackhawk and the Durango, bro. Yeah, I like these trucks. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Yo, the wheels is crazy! Gang, these wheels is... Yo, look at this shit! Gang, what the fuck? Yo! What the hell? What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? This don't even look... Bro, this shit don't even look the same! This shit done glowed up, bruh! Bro, look how crazy these rims are! Yo! Look at that shit! Look right here. AMP different lights in that bitch. All colors too. This is crazy, gang. But what car am I gonna drive? Gang, this is stupid. Like, this is stupid. Like, this is like...
Red dot, shit.
Bro, why didn't Ben mod my shit, bro? It took... he dead ass encouraged me, bro. Get this shit done. He gonna handle everything. Both of them.
So this got a full Wado wide body kit.
Yep.
Y'all car heads, full Wado wide body kit.
Oh, I didn't even see the headrest. I didn't even see the headrest. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, the AMP logo on the headrest be tough. I ain't gonna lie, this is tough. I ain't gonna lie, y'all snap, bro.
Wrap, obviously, Wado wide body.
Yep.
It's got a Corsa exhaust system.
Yep.
It's got a V2 airlift suspension, so it's on air. You can go up and down with it.
Yeah.
I'll show you how to do that. Upgraded pulley for the supercharger.
Yeah.
So you got a little more power in there.
Yeah.
Got a all red squad, nigga. All red fleet. What? Eh?
Obviously, you've seen the custom stars, the custom headrest.
Yeah.
All that stuff. But I think it's really time to show you.
Oh my gosh.
It's time for the Lambo.
Bro, oh my, wait, hold on, bro. I gotta breathe first, gang. No, like, this is a good look.
Be proud.
This is a good look, bruh. Bro, I was never a car head. I literally told Phantom and Agent I did not care about no fucking car shit, bro. And now we got car shit. That's crazy. What the fuck? Oh my God, this shit is beautiful. And it's loud as fuck. Bro, that shit sound crazy.
Easy. Nice up in place like God market. Hey, Kai. One more having his way, boy. Go ahead, young nigga. Go ahead, young king.
This is crazy.
Go ahead, young king. Do your thing, boy. Hey.
Oh shit, I'm scared.
It just makes me happy to see another young black man win, dog. Just makes me happy to see another black man win, kid. Yo.
Happy Shaw. He's the one that helped with the Lambo.
Thank you so much.
I've been watching Kai for a long time. Since this nigga was in college and shit. This nigga ain't never mill yet. Like when Aiden was the guy that the biggest thing on Twitch. When I Show Speed was bigger than Kai on Twitch. Like, I was watching this nigga from, he had them little, when his hair was short and shit, the nigga barely had a fro and shit. You see what I'm saying? So shout out to Kai, man. See you come this far, gang. From leaving out to college to going out to Cali, get an MP, all that shit, man. Shout out to you, gang.
Listen, it's a one-of-one kit. No one got it. He's the only one with this kit.
There's a lot of fabricating.
One of one, full carbon fiber.
Okay.
Borsteiner kit.
Okay.
Directly from Borsteiner, one of one hybrid kit.
We got Valtronic exhaust. You got catalyst downpipes. It blows fucking flames.
Yo, we went crazy. It's just we gotta just show you.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm just staying here. I'm just staying here.
Only in the world. That's it.
I'm just staying here.
What you liking so far? What's the
my favorite so far?
What's the go-to?
But I'm not going. Okay, so before we show the Lamb, so far the track looks stupid.
It ain't fair with the Lamb. So we talking about them three.
We took over the He was a days. We did this in 3 weeks.
3 weeks, yeah, they did this in 3 weeks, bro. We rushed it, everything. Oh my God.
Nah, look at his face.
Look at his face.
Oh
I'm scared.
Big lamb chop, boy. Damn. Oh yes, the lamb with the carbon fiber hoodie and the carbon fiber accents, gang. Big lamb chop, boy. Big lamb chop, boy. This ain't Marietta little lamb. This Marietta big lamb, boy. Come on, let's get it.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
This is what it's about, though. Like, it ain't about the bread. You know me with the car stuff.
Yeah.
It's about our culture.
Yeah.
And what we doing.
Your rich melanin skin.
Come on. Big lamb chop, boy. Hey, shout out to Kai, dog. Shout out to Kai, boy. This shit. Woo-hoo.
I need that.
Woo-hoo.
Go ahead. Go crazy.
Go, look.
Go ahead. That's Kai's yours.
Oh!
Yeah, nigga. Woo-hoo-hoo, that fire.
Oh my fucking gosh! Oh my!
Big lamb. You see me? Big Lamborghini yours.
Yo! What the?
Big Lamborghini yours.
Yo! What the fuck? Yo, this is my shit.
Big Lamborghini yours,
Bro,
boy.
I want this to even feel real right now, gang. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? I can't stop saying what the fuck, bruh. Look at the hood. Carbon fiber, right? I know my shit. Yeah. It's everywhere though, gang. Yo,
Big
y'all
lamb
niggas
chop,
snapped.
that's crazy.
Oh my fucking god, y'all niggas snapped. Oh my fucking god, y'all niggas just snapped, gang. Y'all don't even know what I just did, bro. Oh my fucking gosh.
That's
Bro.
crazy.
Bro, what the fuck?
Put a suspension module on the car. So
What?
You can the suspension can go up and down.
Oh, yeah.
I know the crib, that hill.
Yeah,
I can't
bro.
mess this up.
Oh.
So I'll show you how to do the suspension. One of one, full bore stunner, carbon fiber kit. So this bumper alone probably has 2 days straight on just this.
All my life, when the guy.
Listen, chat. That's the big Lamborghini. That's the big Lamborghini yours. You see me? I say that right there. That costs a house. You know what I'm saying? It costs more than most people's house. A mortgage. You see me? I say if you have payments. And see if you're a young youth out there doing them thing, you have to shut it. You have to give Kai his props, man. Build a big media empire. You see me? Big media empire. Well, you can call it a media empire right now. You know, after streaming. But yeah, it be like a big global platform right now. People all over the world watching, kids all over the world watching stream. You see me? Even adults know how to tune in. Just I get me to sauce and catch on. You see me? You must show people like the power of the streaming, like what you can create and achieve from it. You see me? I say the money you can make from it. Like people are starting to see that this is a real viable business, source of income, hobby, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, man, because of these young content creators. You see me? Most of these black, especially the black communities, guys like Kai, DDG, iShowSpeed. Well, for the younger generations, anyways. People like me learn from like seeing other content creators that's been in the game that's older than them, like, you know, the Low Life Shark. There's a lot of big, but these guys are really like the wave. You see me? I say that's like known, like the celebrity, like the face of this thing. You see me? I say, but yeah, man, shout out to Kai Cenat.
I see this shit, they're gonna go stupid. They're gonna go fucking stupid. Bro, Agent and Phantom gonna be so proud, bro.
Bro, like you don't even understand. Like,
Bro, the collection is bro, this collection is insane, bro. I'm really looking back at everything y'all niggas went.
3 weeks, bro. 3 weeks.
3 weeks, 4 cars. 3 weeks, 4 cars, bro. Let me see that. Hold on, let me see. Bro,
I got it lower now.
yo, this shit looks crazy, bro. Oh my fucking gosh, bro. This is probably the craziest collection I've seen.
You up there? You on top, man?
Car world of proud.
Yo,
Officially a car guy.
You want Agent's ass?
I'm officially a car dude, man. Damn, bro.
Arrested that Lambo look.
Like before, I was like forgetting about a car or like left one and just didn't drive for a minute. Now it's like I could really switch it up, gang. Look how fun, like that shit looks like I want to hop in that bitch right now. All of them, bro. Bro, y'all don't understand. From when they put up on me to like saying like, oh, what they gonna do to it, like, and then see it now, it's like they exceeded what I thought it was in my head. All my life they exceeded what I thought it was in my head. This is crazy, gang.
You kind of let me have my freedom too, which I respect.
Yeah,
So
I was like,
this is my world. So
yeah. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, literally the best of the best. Oh my God, this shit is crazy. Like before, niggas couldn't drive my car at all. Now, niggas can't drive my car. This shit exceeded my expectations, like that ass. Yeah, like everything.
Rich melanin skin deserves new.
On yourself, man. On yourself. This time when I left, I'm not looking back. Trust me.
Like, you feel me? Like, yeah, chill McDonald's. Go to the movies and shit. You feel what I'm saying? Heli pop out real quick, track pop out real quick. Lamb is pop out. I can't, oh my God. Nah, this is real subtle. This right here, I love how like, yes. It's the first. Look, I was gonna get rid of it, but I can't, bro.
How would you get rid of the AMG though, bro? That's an AMG. Big Benz, big body.
Like, it's my first car ever, and just gotta show us some love, bro.
Bro, this shit ruined my Thanksgiving, bro. Shit was stressful.
Nah, nigga did this shit through Thanksgiving. Nah, that shit was.
This reaction was
You, bro, this shit is crazy, guy. I can't stop smiling. Like, this is crazy.
So the wheels, we did gloss lip with a matte face, custom center caps, and then you can see the red hardware to match the car.
Yeah, I think I understand. I literally said a description of what I would want it to look like.
Yeah.
I said red, okay, black hair, this hair. So but from like the details, like I literally have to say like, okay, bro, I trust you, bro. Whatever you think you get, just get it.
The wheels match the kit, same brand. It's like,
yo, the carbon fiber hit different, dude. Bro, what the fuck? Look at my AMG, like literally, bro. The limb is stupid and the track hawk. And then like I wanted red, but this is a good red, like, damn. Now that lamb looks stupid. Oh my, one more time, shout out, y'all shit, shout out, who got to shout out, all that.
Okay, Q, got my dog. Clean culture in the building. We throw car shows all over the country.
Yes.
Several countries.
Yes.
We just started getting into the building stuff,
yes.
bro. I mean, it's W, right? Like,
yes.
It's my new thing now. You a content creator, you out there, you want to get your car done, save some bread, save some time, save some stress.
No, dead ass. Like, on the side.
Good?
Yes, everything is perfect. Like, literally not one problem with nothing. Look, chat, they literally have to do it without a script for a month. So I had to script for like a whole 30 days, and had to solve everything like behind the scenes and shit. Bro, like, no problems. No, not like, bro, this shit looks perfect, bro. Bro.
We getting the Mafia car next.
Yeah, I gotta get in my Mafia shit. I gotta get my throwback shit. Yo, if y'all would like to see any behind the scenes or anything like that, make sure y'all go to this shit. It was be in the description right below. All the car geeks, y'all wanna see all the breakdowns, how they did it, when they did it, all of that, all the updates and shit like that, go to theirs. But bro, I appreciate y'all, no cap. Shout out to y'all. Y'all did y'all shit. By the time y'all see this, y'all be seeing the IG photos and shit will be go crazy. Everybody go crazy. I wanna see y'all react to it. Let's get this video to, let's get this video to like 300,000 likes. 300,000 likes, and we gotta get another car, but it has to be a throwback car. Something throwback.
I'm already working on it.
Another car. Yo, another car, because I want a Mafia collection, chat. So another 300,000 likes, and we'll do another one. Other than that, I'll see y'all next time.
Yes, yeah man gang, that's Cenat's new video, brand new car collection. Go crazy. See the boy got the AMG, got the Trackhawk, he got the Hellcat, and he got the Lamb Chop. You see me what I say? Yeah man, shout out to Cenat, young rich nigga having his way, man, doing his thing, bro. You see me what I say? So shout out to him, bro. You see me what I say? Yeah. Definitely proud of that, proud of that young king, man. You don't know content creation, it ain't easy. You see me, I say there's a lot of content creators out there. And, a lot of content creators out there. And, people tend to gravitate to different races when it comes to stuff like that. To see a young black man, I do him thing, bro. You got to shout out to him, man. That's just show you that he's good at what he does. You see me? I say it can't be like it's luck or rare. Because there's so many content creators out there, and people like to watch other races. So the fact that young black doing this thing, bro, shout out to you, bro. Yeah, shout out to you, man. Keep doing your thing, keep growing, keep striving. You see me? I say, yeah, man, Cenat, bro. Like, yeah, keep inspiring the younger generations, showing them how to do this, man. Because it's a new way of. It's a new way. It's 2020 new ways of making income. A lot of people didn't see the content creation, streaming situation as anything that's gonna be viable or long lasting. They didn't see any longevity in it or any. But yeah, these younger guys out here showing people that you can really. You see me? I say you can really create a life, create a living, create an empire. You see me achieve a dream from doing these things. So yeah, a lot of people right now having their kids, back in the day, and remember Kai, it's all started with him from gaming, So a lot of parents is telling kids they don't play video games, don't spend all the time on computer, all the time on us, and those very activity where a lot of these parents was condemning. You see me and say and punish their kids for those. It's those same activity right now. Those are the top earning. You see me? Top earning of skills or abilities or hobbies right now. You see me? If you like gaming, pays a lot right now. You see me? I say if you like working on the computer, like anything on the computer, pays a lot right now. So back in then, people like come have a video game, come on a computer and all these stuff. Those skills are really paying off right now. You see me? I say so. A lot of kids. That's why they have kids, and they got certain interests. They can't be too rare just because you're ignorant. You see me? Cause that with a lot of parents, and they're ignorant. You see me? They're not educated in certain things. So then kids that do certain things and they try to, you see me, try to stop it. They try to fight against it because they, just because they're not up to the time and they don't understand what go on. You see me? They look and they look. You see that around the place right now. You see me? No doctor, no lawyer, no make what these kids making right now. You see me? I say, but yet still, some parents are fight against. But I just say things said. But anyway, gang, like me I say, if you're part of that mafia, you're young, go out there, keep working on your dreams. You see me? Keep striving for your goals. Don't watch nobody around. Don't watch nobody will gain a fight. Eventually your thing will go work out. You see me I say? I want your thing work out. You see me? Them go beat you. Oh, me didn't know you could have did it all along. When no, they didn't. They never believe in you. I'll be a fight and fight against you. You see me I say? But you know. You see me? So just work towards you. You see me? Because God give you that vision for a reason. You see me I say? He showed you that vision for a reason. There's a reason why he showed you and didn't show other people. You see me? So when God give vision, God work towards it because they not going to see till you do it. You see me I say? Yeah. So just stay focused. Now watch people around you. You see me I say? And just do the best I can. You see me? Remember, I got to work for you and I work with people. I got to pay you. You see me? So anyway, the next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm